Today, I'm going to show you how to remove secrets from your Git commit history. Many developers accidentally commit secrets like passwords, API keys, or tokens and push them to GitHub or GitLab. It's a very common mistake. Let's say I have a .env file with a password and I accidentally push it to GitHub. My first thought is simple. I'll delete the file and push the changes again. So let's try that. I delete the .env file from my local machine and push the changes. Now if I open the repository, the .env file is gone. Everything looks fine. But wait, let's open the commit history. You can still see the old commit and the .env file is still there. That means the secret is still publicly visible. So how do we fix this? The correct way is to remove the secret from the Git commit history. GitHub officially recommends using a tool called Git filter repo. You can install it with a simple pip install command. Once it's installed, the steps are very easy. First, create a new folder. Then, clone the repository into that folder. Next, run the git filter repo command shown on the screen. That's it. Now add the remote back, force push the rewritten history, and go back to GitHub. Let's check the commit history again. As you can see, the .env file is no longer there, and the secret has been removed from the Git history. And that's how you safely remove secrets from your Git commit history. Suppose you accidentally pushed a password, API key, or any other secret to GitHub or GitLab. You don't want to delete the entire file, you just want to remove or redact the secret from the Git commit history. Let's see how to do that. In this example, I have a .env file that contains a secret, and I want to remove only that secret from every commit in the repository history. First, create a fresh clone of your repository. This is the repository whose history you want to clean. Next, create a new text file. In this file, write the secret you want to replace and the value you want to replace it with. Exactly as shown on the screen. Once your text file is ready, run the git filter repo, replace text command and provide the path to that text file. After the command finishes, your Git history will be rewritten and the secret will be replaced in every commit. Now, if you run git remote.view, you'll notice that nothing is returned. This is expected because git filter repo removes the remote as a safety measure. Before pushing your changes, add your GitHub or GitLab repository as the remote again by following the steps shown in the video. Finally, force push the rewritten history. Now let's go back to GitHub and open the commit history. As you can see, the secret is no longer visible. Instead, it has been replaced with the redacted value in the Git history. That's how you safely remove a secret from your Git commit history without deleting the entire file.